Matongoretio ni muikariri giti wao Malulu Injendi, kamiti ya bunge igie githomo igwikinyite cukuru-ini wa airitu wa Moi magietha anja iguru ria giko kiria gekikire cukuru-ini uyu muthenya wa Jumamothi. Nyumba-ini ya toro ya Elgon kuria giko kia murutwo kunyitwo kia hinya kirerikana gwikika nikuo mauma na bata muno kuingira no mamba kurugamana na urugamiriri wa cukuru uyu matana hingurirwo.
To come and open for us. So why are we moving forward and back?
That door
it doesn't make sense
unless the IG tells us not to.
Ciuria ciao nyingi ire mwena uria cioro na bafu ire kuria kurerikana muiritu uyu ahameirwo ni arume atatu.
On the corner or on the slab? On the slab. Well, I can't say whether it was on the slab.
Kuringana na matron kuri ta thaa 11 cia rucini niguo okiririo ni arutwo aria mahuraga murango wake na inegene.
And many children were calling matron and banging the door. So I came out and I asked them, what is wrong? This is some of our girls have been raped.
Kiria kia mutungira akiona bata wa gwitia uteithio na uguo akiambiriria kuhura thimu.
I called the boarding mistress first and she came immediately. Then I called our deputy principal.
And when I received a call, she told me, Madam Mutiso, we have a problem in Elgon. Some girls have been raped.
Maundu maya mothe magithie na mbere gukariga kuria murangiri wa utuku ari na niki kiagiritie aigwe inegene ria arutwo.
When I got to her, I asked her, Monica, where are these girls? And she only told me E7. And getting to E7 was not easy because the corridor was packed with students. Others were up the corridors on the top beds and checking inside there.
Murutani uria urugamirire uhoro wa gukoma akihinyiriria ati niwe warutire murutwo uyu na angi atatu domu na mari hamwe na nasu wa cukuru makimutwara thibitari wa Nairobi Women.
When I got there, this girl that others claimed was raped was fully dressed. She was in our school track trouser, a navy blue Moi Girls school t-shirt, a fleece jacket, and had these black scarves on the neck. And that is why when I got there squatted and got hold of the two girls, my first question was, have you bathed? She told me no. So at the point which she dressed without having bathing, that one we could not connect. We did not know. Because if she had told me she had bathed, then maybe we could now go to the next question, when? We could not be able to tell you at what point the girl bathed.
Kwona nyumba ino ina mirango iri gutire kuramenyeka ageri agiko giki kana maigiriire murango uria uriganite na nyumba ya matron kana murango uria ugereire cioro-ini.
Let us dig and get the real true picture of what it is. And I'm saying this because if we end up victimizing, for example, a teacher, and if that teacher did not make that mistake, then I think we are going in the wrong direction.
Nyumba ino ya Elgon ikomaga arutwo 216 haria arutwo 1191 aria mari cukuru-ini uyu. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.